Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by cutting power. Disconnect the battery negative terminal first, then the positive. This prevents shorts. Put on gloves and eye protection because corrosion can be acidic. Once done, brush loose powder with a stiff nylon brush to expose the metal. Apply a 1:1 baking soda and water paste to neutralize acid. Let it fizz for a minute. Make sure to catch runoff with a rag or tray and avoid metal-to-metal contact that could bridge terminals and spark. Once loose corrosion is neutralized, remove terminals using the correct wrench or a terminal puller so you don't round nuts. Scrub the posts and clamps with a small wire brush or a terminal reamer to remove stubborn deposits. Rotate and re-clean until shiny metal appears. Rinse the area with a controlled stream of water to remove residue. Then dry completely with a clean cloth and compressed air if available. Check cables for frayed copper and terminal pitting. That reassemble by coating terminals with dielectric grease or anti-corrosion spray to prevent recurrence. This blocks moisture and slows oxidation. Reattach the positive terminal first, then the negative, and tighten clamps snugly. Avoid over-torquing, which can crack posts. Once connected, start the engine to confirm good contact. If you experience a no start or dim lights, make sure to test battery voltage and cable continuity. If voltage drops under load, replace the cable or battery to eliminate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.